I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to engine wash a Hyundai Accent. First, gather your supplies, including a good engine degreaser, various brushes, and plastic covers. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch. Never clean a hot engine. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery before you begin. This prevents electrical shorts and protects sensitive components during the wash process. Next, protect all sensitive electrical parts, like the alternator and fuse box, by covering them securely with plastic bags or wrap. Now, apply your chosen engine degreaser evenly across the entire engine bay. Be thorough, especially on greasy areas. Let the degreaser sit for the time specified on its label, typically between 5 and 10 minutes, to break down grime effectively. After the degreaser has worked its magic, use a low-pressure water spray to gently rinse the engine bay. Start from the top and work your way down, ensuring all degreaser and loosened dirt are washed away. For any persistent grime, use your brushes to scrub those areas clean. Remember to avoid spraying high-pressure water directly onto electrical connections or air intake openings. Finally, let your engine air dry thoroughly. You can also use compressed air to speed up the drying process, especially in crevices. Once you are certain everything is completely dry, carefully remove all protective covers and reconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. Start your engine to ensure everything is working correctly. Check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.